Good evening.
Sir, do you remember that you have asked me some questions yesterday?
Surely, I remember.
Okay, so can I ask you a question today?
Of course.
Okay. So, as you know that today is 5 June, guess what is today?
Of course, I remember. Today is Environment Day.
That's exactly my question. Tell me something about it. Come.
Hello friends. Our environment. Today is our Environment Day. Our environment is everything around us. Air, we breathe. Water, we breathe. Land, we on. And plants and animals, we see. But nowadays, our environment is getting polluted because of this full of vehicles that we see. If we do not care of it, if our environment, our earth, will become so polluted. And I told what I wanted. Now you will come and tell something.
Okay, sir. Now it's my turn, so I will tell you. So, right now only sir told it everything about our environment. But now it is my turn, so I will tell something different. So, our environment is very precious for our life, and like we can take example trees, animals, rivers, mountains, and even sky is also a part of our environment. So, we can protect our environment by planting trees and not using plastic bags. So right now, one point is that please don't use plastic bags nowadays, because everybody is using, going to market and taking something inside that. So please don't use it. And you know what? Why our, like only sir told that our environment will become dirty and unsafe just because of these plastics we throw, and this pollution is happening. Sir only told about smoke coming from vehicles. So this also causes pollution, and it is making our environment very dirty. So we have to clean our environment by planting some trees, and we should not use every time our that bike every time if we are going far. So we can use whatever cycling is also enough. So having a safe environment is just a blessing for us. Thank you. It is done. If you found this video useful, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.